being left behind professionally. We are living through one of the most profound technological shifts in history, a complete rewiring of our world, powered by artificial intelligence. AI is already changing everything, touching every part of our lives and work. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately, analyzing medical scans and patient data to save lives. In education, students are learning with personalized AI tutors that adapt to their needs, making learning more engaging and effective. In entertainment, artists and musicians are using generative AI to create stunning art and music from a simple prompt, unlocking new creative possibilities. In transportation, self-driving cars powered by AI are redefining how we move, making travel safer and more efficient. This isn't science fiction, it's the new reality unfolding right now. But with this explosion of innovation comes a tidal wave of confusion. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, or worse, feel like you're being left behind professionally. The critical question isn't just, what is AI? It's, how does this actually apply to me? Which of these hundreds of tools will genuinely enhance my career and improve my productivity? That's exactly why we created this comprehensive guide. Today on Professional and Clear, we're cutting through the noise. I'll walk you through the essential landscape of modern AI, from powerful language models like ChatGPT to the incredible potential of robotics with systems like Tesla's Optimus. We won't just list features, we'll explore practical applications and the strategic thinking you need to leverage these technologies, all in the most simple and clear way possible. If you're dedicated to staying ahead in your field, you're in the right place. We specialize in demystifying the complex topics in finance, auditing, and technology that shape our future. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and join our community of professionals building their careers with clarity and confidence. Let's get started. To truly understand the AI revolution, let's break down its core categories with real-world examples. First, we have the AIs that talk, reason, and help with work. Large language models like ChatGPT by OpenAI, Claude by Anthropic, Google's Gemini, and Grok from xAI. These aren't just chatbots, they're powerful reasoning engines. Today, they're drafting business emails, summarizing lengthy reports, and even generating legal documents in seconds. In customer service, they're handling support tickets and providing instant answers, freeing up human teams for more complex tasks. These large language models, or LLMs, are trained on vast data sets, allowing them to automate tasks like writing marketing copy, preparing financial summaries, and even debugging software code. Imagine an AI Copilot that drafts your client proposals, audits financial documents for anomalies, or generates compliance checklists, all in a fraction of the time. In law, they're reviewing contracts. In HR, they're screening resumes. In finance, they're analyzing market trends and producing reports that once took days. But AI isn't just about logic, it's a creative powerhouse too. This is the world of generative AI. Tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion create stunning visuals from a simple prompt. Marketers use AI to design ad campaigns and social media graphics in minutes. Musicians and content creators rely on platforms like Suno and 11 Labs to compose music and generate voiceovers. In video production, tools like Pika Labs and Runway are making animation and filmmaking accessible to everyone, enabling designers to brainstorm and prototype at lightning speed. This creative explosion is why marketers, YouTubers, and designers are adopting AI into their daily workflows. They can generate ad campaigns, produce video content, and brainstorm designs at an unprecedented speed. Mastering these tools early provides a serious advantage, unlocking new levels of efficiency and creative expression that will define the future of business and career growth in the creative industries. When AI controls a physical machine, we enter the world of embodied AI, robots. These systems are stepping out of the digital world to interact with ours. Think of Boston Dynamics' Atlas and Spot, or the Tesla Optimus humanoid robot. But it's not just factories. Robots are now harvesting crops in agriculture, sorting packages in logistics centers, and assisting in hospitals. They're transforming industries by performing tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or require superhuman precision and strength. Finally, AI is becoming the invisible engine of our modern world through specialized applications. In finance, AI powers fraud detection and algorithmic trading. In healthcare, it analyzes medical scans and accelerates drug discovery. In logistics, AI systems optimize warehouse operations and delivery routes. In education, platforms like Duolingo's AI create personalized learning experiences. Across every industry, these deep, specialized integrations are quietly and rapidly reshaping how we work and live. Right now, our world is powered by narrow AI, specialized tools that are transforming every profession. In law, AI reviews contracts and predicts case outcomes, helping lawyers focus on strategy. In medicine, AI assists doctors by analyzing scans and suggesting diagnoses, while nurses use AI-powered apps to monitor patient health. Creative professionals collaborate with AI to generate artwork, compose music, and edit videos faster than ever. Business teams rely on AI dashboards to forecast trends and optimize decisions. These tools are powerful, but they operate within set boundaries. On the horizon is something even more transformative: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Imagine an AI that not only processes data, but also reasons, learns, and innovates like a human, analyzing financial statements, understanding legal arguments, and designing new products. That is the future we are building toward, and it will redefine what it means to be a professional. So, what does this mean for your career? The idea that AI will simply replace jobs is outdated. Instead, AI is changing the nature of work. Lawyers who embrace AI can spend less time on research and more on advocacy. Doctors who use AI tools can provide more accurate and personalized care. Artists and designers who collaborate with AI unlock new creative possibilities. Accountants and auditors move from manual checks to real-time analysis, becoming strategic advisors. The professionals who thrive will be those who learn to work alongside AI, asking better questions, interpreting results, and applying insights. Start by identifying repetitive tasks in your workflow that AI can automate. Invest time in learning the latest AI tools relevant to your field. Join communities, attend webinars, and experiment with new platforms. The future belongs to those who adapt, learn, and lead with AI as their partner. The landscape is evolving rapidly. What's one task in your daily work you wish AI could handle? Or if you're already using AI, which tool has made the biggest difference for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. To stay ahead, make learning about AI a regular habit. Set aside time each week to explore new tools, read case studies, or connect with peers. If you found this guide helpful, support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to Professional and Clear. Together, we'll keep building the skills and confidence needed to excel in the age of AI. Stay ahead of the curve with us. We're committed to demystifying the complex ideas in finance, auditing, and technology, turning abstract concepts into the simple, actionable strategies you need to excel in your career.